Hey, Rose. What are you doing? I see you've moved over your stool over to the high chair. You did it. Okay. Oh no. Are you proud of yourself? Oh. Now you think you need to get out? I don't think you need to get out. I think you should just sit right there and have a snack. What do you see outside? Do you see your playhouse? Oh. Very nice. Hey, Rose. Could you sing Baba Black Sheep for Mama? That's pretty. Oh boy. Okay, Monkey Pie. I think it's time for these theatrics to be over with. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Look at Mama. Look at Mama and say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.